Hello, this is Dr. Rahman Ali with the course Introduction to Database, and you can find different tutorial of this course from this link. Uh, in this tutorial, we are trying to understand that if we have already created a database, then how we can provide an interface to this database to store data inside the database. There could be different ways, different tools, but here we are starting with the simplest tool to first understand the concept of providing interfaces to databases. Before providing interface to the database, we must need to know that the backend of the database should be first created, and before the creation of the backend, we need three level of designing: conceptual, logical, and physical designing or data modeling, which we have already discussed in detail. This is the physical schema where all the entities, for example, in a sale and order management system, customer order, implies product order, retail and supplier, they should be properly identified and linked through the relationship that how these entities should be implemented in the backend of the database in the relational DBMS using any tool like MySQL, RMS Access, or SQL Server, or Oracle, and they should be linked to each other in this form of the relationship that we have already discussed. So let's start that how we can provide an interface to the database. For that, we are going to start with the simplest tool doesn't matter, you can use any tool and any method. I will be starting from access, which is the most easiest uh, one for the beginners to start with. I have created the sale and order management database, and two tables have already been created, which you can see here. This is a table which has already been created in the design view, which you can see already. We have small tutorial on the creation of this, and another table with the order we have created them. And now we are going to provide an interface to this customer table which is in the database. For that, in Access, we can go check, start with the create option, form wizard, and here we can find all the tables that we have created in this database. I am selecting the first one, which is my uh, customer, and here I'm removing the that is the photo attribute that I have created. So I'm keeping it only once, and going next with the selection of the layout, then its title, and we can change the title later on as well, and I can open it. So now you can see that this interface for this table is being created, and here we can directly add data to this one. For example, customer number, auto number. I have taken the auto number, so I am not going to write down. First name is, for example, Rahman Ali. Gender, I can select here. I have taken wizard from the table creation time, so that's why I can get this in the form of the combo box. Province, for example, this one, district, this one, city. I can add all the data, and then it could be sent and saved in the database. For example, abc at gmail.com, and from here I can get the photo for this customer, and if I have any photo, I will pick it. For example, this is a dummy photo. It is not the actual one. So how I can save it? So on the bottom we can see the navigation bar, next record. So this data will be sent to the database, and when I to make it sure it is stored or not, so let me close this one and check this one. Yeah, the first record has been added to the database, and uh, we can change the layout of this form, and different controls. Save next command button could be added, and another subform could be added to this one. So we can discuss them in future tutorial. Thank you.